How to know if you're restricted on Messenger. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you a step-by-step tutorial to show you key indicators that you are restricted. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So first of all, let's start by opening up Messenger and go to one of the chat. So you can start by opening up one of the chat. And once you open up a chat, what you will be seeing is when you send up a message, it will be sent but never delivered or read, even if the person is active elsewhere. That is one of those indicator that the person has restricted us. Apart from that, if you're not able to see any kind of green dot or the active X minute ago status for the user, that is also something that indicates that you are restricted. Apart from that, what you can do is you can try calling them. So in the top, we should find a voice call and video call option. We can use those option and just go and try calling them. And if it results in waiting to connect tone rather than a normal ringing sound, that is also an indication that the person has restricted. And when you try to view their profile, if you do not see any kind of updates to their profile picture or story, depending upon their privacy settings, that also may be the reason that they have restricted you on Messenger. And one of the most reliable thing we can do is we can just go over and go ahead and ask a mutual friend to check if they can see the user's active status or send them a message. You can just go over and do so. You can try to message them without when you know they are likely to be online. If the message still shows only sent after hours, it is a very strong indication that the person has restricted you on Messenger. And restriction is usually not same as blocking. If you are restricted, you can still see their profile and send messages, and if you are blocked, you cannot interact with them at all. But usually this is how we indicate that if person has restricted us on Messenger or not. So give this video a like and subscribe for more.